Hi students, let's see exercise 3.4 part 2. Ready? I'm reading the question once. Careful. Question number 2. I'll read the question once. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist by the elimination method. Now question number 1. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? Fraction means there will be numerator and denominator, isn't it? So we'll write first, let x be the numerator and y be the denominator. Ready? Therefore, the fraction is numerator divided by denominator. That means x by y. Now, what is the condition? First case, what you will do? If we add 1 to the numerator, that means x plus 1. If you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, that means divided by subtract 1 from the denominator, that means minus 1 from the denominator. It will convert into 1. The fraction becomes 1. So let's cross multiply. 1 means you can write 1 by 1, cross multiplying. Ready? Cross multiplying. Means 1 into x plus 1, will write x plus 1 equals y minus 1 into 1 is y minus 1. That means y minus 1. 1 will go to next side. That means x minus y is coming to this side, equals, minus 1 is already here, plus 1 goes next side, minus 1. So minus 1, minus 1, minus into minus, plus. That means 1 plus 1, 2. Of course it will be minus 2. That is x minus y equals minus 2. This is equation number 1. Second case. Check it, second case. See the second case, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. If you add only 1 to the denominator, it will become 1 by 2. That means what you write? X by y. After that, if you add only 1, to the denominator, that means we are not adding anything to the numerator. 1 is adding to the denominator, it will be 1 by 2. Ready? The fraction become 1 by 2. So let's cross multiply. So 2 into x, that will be 2x equals 1 into this entire term, that means y plus 1, it will be y plus 1. Y plus 1. Y will carry next side, that means 2x minus y equals 1. This is equation number 2. Now we will use elimination method. See, to do elimination method, what you will do? See the coefficient of y, here is minus 1. Second equation, the coefficient of y is minus 1. That means no need to multiply anything. Direct we will subtract. Ready? That means equation 2 minus equation 1. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. That implies second equation. What is the second equation? Second equation is 2x minus y equals 1. First equation is x minus y equals minus 2. When we subtract, see what will happen? The plus term become minus term become plus, and minus term become plus. 2x minus x. 2x minus x. 2 mango minus 1 mango. 1. That's x. 1x or x. And minus y plus y will cancel. This equals 1 plus 2. Here is plus 2. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. Therefore, x equals 3. We got it, x equals 3, isn't it? Now what you'll do? Put x equals 3 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies, what is the first equation? It's x minus y. But in place of x, what you'll put? 3. That means 3 minus y equals minus 2. Ready? Now this minus y will carry to next side. Minus 2 will bring to this side. That means this implies what will happen? 3 minus 2 comes to left side, it will be plus 2. equals minus y goes next side plus y. That means this implies 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 equals y. Ready? Therefore, y equals 5. So what will you write? Therefore, the fraction is x by y equals 3 by 5. Okay, let's go to the second question. 5 years ago, Nuri was twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? See, we want to find out this time 2 persons age. One is Nuri and the other one is Sonu. Ready? So we'll write let x be the age of Nuri and y be the age of Sonu. Ready? After that, what is the condition? 5 years ago, say 5 years ago. 5 years ago means 5 years back. That means what will happen? That time, Nuri's age was, see, Nuri's age was, that means what will do? Nuri's age was x minus 5 and Sonu's age. Sonu's age was y minus 5. See, 5 years ago, Nuri's age was minusing 5 years minus, isn't it? That means x minus 5 and Sonu's age was y minus 5. But they given in the condition, first case, check it the condition. See, 5 years ago, Nuri was twice as old as Sonu. So, Nuri means what? Nuri's age was x minus 5 equals twice means 3 times. 3 times Sonu's age. That means y minus 5. So, this implies x minus 5 equals 3 into y, 3y, 3 into minus 5, minus 15. Okay, this implies, see, 3y will carry it next side. That means x minus 3y equals, see, minus 5 goes next side, plus 5. That means 5 minus 15. 5 minus 15 is plus and minus, that means 10. But bigger number is 15, so it is minus. Therefore, x minus 3y equals minus 10. That is equation number 1. After that, see the next condition. 10 years later. So, 10 years later. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So, 10 years later means Nuri's age will be. So, Nuri's age will be 10 years later means what will happen? It will be plus, isn't it? So, x plus 10 and Sonu's age will be Sonu's age will be y plus 10. But according to the question, what will happen? 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So, Nuri's age. That means second case. So, we got already Nuri's age. Nuri's age is x plus 10 equals, what will happen? Twice as old as Sonu. That means twice, 2 times as age of Sonu. Sonu is y plus 10. Ready? Let's open the bracket now. This implies x plus 10 equals, now 2 into y. See, 2 into y. 2y plus 2 into 10, 20. Now x, this 2y will carry it next side. Minus 2y equals 20 is already here. 10 goes next side. Minus 10. That means x minus 2y equals 10. That is equation number 2. See now, first equation is x minus 3y equals minus 10. Second equation is x minus 2y equals 10. Now to solve this one, we are going to use elimination method. That means what you will do? Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. That implies first equation we will subtract from the second equation. That means first we will write second equation. That means x minus 2y equals 10. That is second equation. After that, first equation is what? X minus 3y equals minus 10. When you subtract, what will happen? Plus become minus, minus become plus, and minus become plus. See, x plus and minus will cancel. Now, minus 2y, this is plus 3y. See, this is minus 2y and this is plus 3y. Plus and minus, what will do? Minus. So, 3y minus 2y, 1y. That means y plus y, isn't it? Equals. Now, 10 plus 10, that is 20. Got it? That means we got the age of Sonu. Now, what you will do? Put y equals 20 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies the first equation. What is the first equation? X minus 3y. X minus 3 implies the y. What you will write? 20 equals minus 10. Now, this implies x minus 3 to the 6. That means 3 into 20 means 60 equals minus 10. Now, x equals minus 10 is already here. Minus 60 goes next side, plus 60. Isn't it? Now, plus and minus, what you will do? Minus 60 minus 10, that is 50. Ready? Therefore, the age of Sonu is 20 and Nuri is 50 years. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Let's see question number 3. I'll read the question once. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Find the number. Ready? So let's start the work. First, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Ready? That means first we'll write let x be the unit place digit. Let x be the unit place digit and y be the tens place digit. Therefore, the number is, what will do? 10 place. That means 10 place is y. So, 10 into y plus unit place is x, isn't it? So, 1 into x. What will do? Let x be the unit place digit and y be the tens place digit. And if you get such a way, what will do? Unit place is x. That means 1 into x plus tens digit is y. That means 10 into y. Suppose if you want to write 25, how will you write 25? 25 equals, here 5 is the unit place, 2 is the tens place. That means you will write 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Ready? So we will get 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. This is what? 25. See, 2 into 10, 20 plus 5 into 1, 5. That means 25. So if you want the 2-digit number means what you will do? Unit place x we took, that means 1 into x, and tens place is y. Therefore, the number is 10y plus 1 into x. That means 10y plus 1 into x is x. Ready? Now what is given here? Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number. That means from the question, first case, what you can write? Sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means x plus y. Sum of the digit is 9. Sum of the digit is 9. That means x plus y is 9. That is equation number 1. After that, what you will do? Next condition is also 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the number. So, before doing the next step, we have to reverse the digit. Reverse the digit means what you will do? Unit place will keep into tens place. Tens place will change it into unit place. Means y will go to unit place and x will come to tens place. Ready? Therefore, the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Digit equals, actually the number is 10y plus x. If you reverse the order of the digit, means what you write? 10x plus y. 10x plus y. Now the condition, check the condition. 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. That means 9 times the number. That means second case, 9 times the number. The number is 10y plus x equals, say what will happen? 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by. Twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. That means what will do? 10x plus y. 2 into 10x plus y. So this implies, what will do? We will open with 9. 9 into 10y, 90y plus 9 into x, that is 9x equals 2 into 20x plus 2 into y, 2y. See what we've done here? We are opening the bracket. 9 into 10y, that is 90y. 9 into x, 9x equals 2 into 10x, that is 20x plus 2 into y, 2y. Now we will arrange this. This implies, see, 90y plus 9x. These two will bring to next side. Plus 20x comes to next side. Minus 20x plus 2y comes to next side. Minus 2y equal to 0. Ready? After that, 9x plus and minus 20x. Plus and minus, what you will do? Minus. That means 20 minus 9, 11. 11x. But of course, the bigger number is 20. It's minus. So the answer is minus 11x. After that, 90y minus 2y. 90 minus 2. That is 88. That means it will be plus 88y equals 0. From these two, I am going to take minus 11 outside. Ready? So minus 11, if I take outside, x will be balanced. If I take minus from plus, plus become minus. Ready? After that, 11 into how much you will get? 88. 11 8s are 88. Y equal to 0. Since the other side is 0, we can cancel this. Ready? That means this implies x minus 8y equal to 0. This is equation number 2. See the first equation, x plus y equals 9. Second equation, x minus 8y equal to 0. Now what do you want? We want to solve this by elimination method, isn't it? So what you will do? We will subtract equation 1 and 2. Ready? That means we will write equation 2 minus equation 1 implies second equation, x minus 8y equal to 0. This is second equation. After that, first equation, x plus y equals 9. That is the first equation. We are subtracting. When you minus it, what will happen? This plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. That means x minus x will cancel. Minus 8y minus y. 8y plus 1y. Because minus into minus, plus. So 8 plus 1, 9. So 9y. Of course, it should be minus 9y equals. Here is 0. 0 minus 9. So we will get only minus 9. Both sides minus minus you can cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. So we will get y equals 1. Ready? We got it now y, isn't it? So we will write put y equals 1 in equation 1. Therefore, what will happen? X plus y equals 9 is the first equation. Therefore, x plus, in place of y, what will you write? 1 equals 9. Ready? This implies x equals, what will happen? 9, 1 goes next side, minus 1 equals 8. Ready? Therefore, the required number is 10y plus x equals 10y, that means 10 into y means 1 will write, plus x is 8, that means 10 into 1, 10 plus 8 equals 18. So our required number is 18. Ready? Let's go to the next question. Let's see the next question. I'll read the question once. Meena went to bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. Ready? So, one person, that means Meena, she went to bank and she withdrew 2000 rupees. But of course, she asked the cashier to give only 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. Ready? Altogether, she got 25 piece of notes. But we have to find out how many 50 rupees notes and how many 100 rupees notes she got. Ready? Let's start the work. So, we'll write first, let x be the number of rupees 50 and y be the number of rupees 100. Ready? According to the question, we can understand she got 25 notes. That means x plus y equals 25. That will be equation number 1. Ready? After that, we know the total rupees. Total cash is 2000. So, total cash equals rupees 2000. Rupees 2000 means, what will do? Rupees 2000 means 50 rupees into x, we don't know how many pays, plus 100 rupees into y equals altogether she got 2000. Ready? So, we will cancel throughout by 50. We are cancelling by 50. 50 ones are 50. Of course, all the place rupees will cancel. 50 ones are 50. 50, how many times here? 100. 50 twos are 100. 50, how many times? 2000. Otherwise, 50 fours are 200. 50 fours are 200. I hope you can understand. After that, this 0 will write. This implies you got x plus 2y equals 40. This is equation number 2. Ready? After that, we want to use now which method? Elimination, isn't it? That means what we'll do? Subtracting equation 1 and 2. So, just we'll write equation 2 minus equation 1. That is subtracting. That means this implies what we'll write? X plus 2y equals 40. That is equation number 2. After that, the first equation, what is that? X plus y equals 25. That is equation number 1. Now, we will subtract. We will minus it. When you subtract, this plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. X minus x will cancel. 2y minus y. 2y minus y. What you will get? Y. Y equals 40 minus 25. What you will get? Yes, 15. Y equals 15. Ready? Now what you will do? Put y equals 15 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies the first equation. What is that first equation? X plus y equals 25. So, x plus in place of y, what you will write? 15 equals 25. Ready? Therefore, x equals, what you will do? 25. 15 goes next side, minus 15 equals 10. Ready? Therefore, x equals 10 and y equals 15. Ready? Let's go to the next. I'll read the question once. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for the book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. What is the condition here? See, a lending library means a library, according to the library rule, for first 3 days there will be a fixed rate. After that, how many days you are going to keep? That many days extra per day, some certain amount is there that you have to pay. So what you want to do in this question, you have to find out how much is the fixed rate for the 3 days. After that, how much will be the rupees for each extra day. Ready? That one we have to find out. Ready? Let's start the work. First we'll write, let x be the fixed charge. Charge for 3 days. It's very important, 3 days, and y be the charge for each extra day. I think you can understand what I done. The last part, see, fixed charge. Find the fixed charge. There I kept x be the fixed charge. After that, y be the charge for each extra day. See, after that, Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. For 7 days, Sarita, how much she paid? Rupees 27. But we know that 7 days means 3 plus 4, that is 7, isn't it? But 3 days means x plus. Balance 3 plus, how much will be 7? 4. That means 4 into y will be rupees 27. That is equation number 1. Ready? After that, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. That means for 5 days, she paid 21 rupees. Isn't it? 5 means 3 plus 2. That means 3 is x. For 3 days, x rupees. So, x plus, what will do? X plus 3 plus 2. That is 5, isn't it? So, x plus 2 days. That means 2 into y equals 21. Ready? So, if you want, all the place you can put rupees. After that, you can cancel. Otherwise, just keep without rupees. Ready? This is equation number 2. Now, what method will apply? Elimination, isn't it? Therefore, what will do? Now, we will subtract the equation, isn't it? Therefore, equation 1 minus equation 2 implies. First equation is x plus 4y equals 27. That is equation number 1. After that, second equation, x plus 2y equals 21. That is second equation. Now we will subtract. Minusing time, this plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. Now, x minus x will cancel. 4y minus 2y. 4 minus 2, 2. That means 2y equals 27 minus 21, 6. Now, both sides, what we can do? We can cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are. Therefore, y equals 3. Now, put y equals 3 in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 implies the first equation. What is the first equation? X plus 4y equals 27. X plus 4 into, in place of y, what you will write? 3. 4y equals 27. This implies x plus 4 threes are 12 equals 27. Therefore, x equals 27 plus 12 goes next side minus, that means minus 12. So, what you will get? Yeah, that is 15. Therefore, x equals 15 and y equals 3. So, we got it now. The entire exercise 3.4. So, what do you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel and wait for the next exercise. Ready?